everybody! Today I'm going to share my recipe for carrot cake muffins. Muffin. Do you like carrots? That's great. Even if you don't like carrot, stay there. It doesn't taste like a carrot. And well baked. So nice and delicious and simple, fast and healthy. I used to make this carrot cake for my family long time ago when I lived in Korea. But these days, I'm using my muffin pan. We are making 12 muffins. Just follow the recipe. You are going to make delicious carrot cake muffins. First, carrot. We need 8 ounce peeled carrots. I'm going to chop into very small pieces. You guys can use this grater, or just like me, I use it just so easy. I used to make this way and food processor. So first, I'm going to cut this guy into small chunks. Okay, and into food processor. Okay, 12 seconds. Next, this is optional but much more delicious when you add. I use this half cup walnuts and I'm going to wash. Use just hand. Lots of dust. Until water is clear, just wash this way. Okay, there. It's clean and medium heat. I stir fried 3 minutes and now just light brown. Nice and smells fragrant. Put this on my cutting board, then chop it up. Smells very nutty. Just set aside. Now I'm going to mix everything in this bowl. So very important bowl. And first, sugar. This I use brown sugar and carrot cake. Especially I make this too bright yellow and then carrot showing off carrot. Children don't like that, so I like to treat them. So using kind of brown sugar. So brown sugar, 1 cup. This is cooking oil. I use canola oil. You guys can use any cooking oil. So 1 cup, same amount. And 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, salt half teaspoon, vanilla extract 2 teaspoons, cinnamon powder 2 teaspoons, very dark color, that's what I want. And you should mix this well about 2 minutes until all these ingredients, including sugar, is well incorporated. And a little bit stickier when you do this. Grated carrot. And walnuts. Flour 2 cups. 1, 2. I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Baking soda 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon. When you put this, just spread, and baking powder. Just gently do it, fold like this. Because baking soda, baking powder, and flour, all those should be mixed evenly, and like this. But if you do too much mixing like harshly, it's gluten coming up. So it's going to be a kind of a sticky, chewy cake. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put this dough into muffin pan. And this is a liner, really pretty liner. I bought this. It's a purple color. Yeah. And just 12. Make this divide into around 12. So basically really a lot scoop. Big scoop is going to be like this. These are my pine nuts. Just I remove the tips. And tips how to remove. You see, there is, I already removed around this part. There is like a kind of a little dark one, and take off like this. So each one I just garnish with pine nuts. So let's bake. Over 375 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'm going to check if this is well cooked by poking with my wooden skewer. If it comes clean, that means well cooked. If it's not, something is coming inside, the dough is coming out, and then I'm going to put it back again. So 20 minutes later, see you soon. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, this is, see, nothing stuff is here. It's well cooked. Turn off. Yay! So now, look at this beautiful muffins with purple liners. I feel like having my muffin here, carrot cake muffin. So I made tea. Let's have a muffin. How easily you can make this carrot cake muffin. Isn't it all pretty? So you make the 12 a lot actually, and just you eating and share with your family, friends. And then if you have a leftover, put them into a Ziploc bag and then just freeze. Take it out and defrost. You can use microwave or oven for 30 seconds for each carrot cake. So let's have taste. Yeah. So fluffy and lots of carrot. See? You hear the little bit crunchy? The top is crunchy and the inside is very moist and like a sponge. Today I showed you how to make my version carrot cake muffins. In Korean, 당근 cake muffin. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.